mu kabati ntabi. Stop it, go away.
Go away.
What did you do?
You can go away, okay? Go away.
I'm telling you, mana yanjye kwirwana n'umwana. Jesus.
Mundebere izi stress. Jesus. Izi stress zituma bashaka gutaha. Ndaseka mbabaye. Ndaseka mbabwira umwana akora ibintu ukabura ikintu umukorerwa bose mukubite nkoriki. Ubifu yose arayifashe no hasi ngo bum. Shimana yanjye. Reba aha hose ukuntu hasi. Reka nkure yifure. Reba ibintu byose aba yataye, ibintu byose aba yajugunye hasi. Mana abavyeyi baragowe. Nanjye ngiye go. What did you do? What is this?
Help.
Yeah, this is mess. Shamana abantu mufite abana batoya cyako. Uretse Imana yonyine itanga kwihangana nta kindi. Uyu mwana wanje. Don't copy me. You made a mess. Say sorry. Say I'm sorry, Mama. I'm not happy at all. Mvuko ariko abanansubira. Abana barakize. Avuga ati mfite umuntu uri buze kuza kubikora. Shamana yanjye. Ubusubu ndabumena sumuntu warya ubugarisha. Afashe kinazi yanjye yose ubundi bwo reka mbwihorere mburekera. Nguka mu cleaning. Abana barakize. Undorere. Uretse kurwaza umuntu umutwe. Ukuntu agiye mu kabata kabara bukuruye nibyo utambaza. Ngiye kumva numva ibintu hasi ngo boom. Kandi ubwo nta n'ikintu babimubwiye arimo arirukira gusa. Undorere ukuntu ababyeyi twarushye. Ubundi man, you gonna stop that? Okay? Please, I don't want to stop you. Uretse Imana yonyine itanga kwihangana. Umwana ukora ibintu nk'ibi n'iki kindi wakora. Akaguhereza akazi ibintu byose wari wabikoze, wari wakoze amasuku, wari wakoze ibintu byose ukajya kubona man abantu babyeyi twaragowe. Stop. This is a real mess.
Trouble.
What is it?
Here.
Get it. Ababyeyi no mbita ntekereza wa mubyeyi ufite abana umwe babiri batatu bane batanu. Mwatekereza cyangwa ndufite abakurikirana. Stop. I'm not asking you help. Did I ask you help? I don't want your help at all. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. I don't want anything from you. I will do it by myself. Leave me alone. Thank you for listening. Man. Stop. Unje kuyora nkori biki mana we. Ibi ngiye gushira muri trash. Mutagira ngo nayiriye ntayo nari. Umvuye kunsubiramo ngo mana we utanazwe n'ikinyarwanda. Nta n'ikinyarwanda uzi wo mana we. Sha. No musikibabaza. Umwana yako sikosa nkaguri. Hano ntabwo stop it. Don't look at me when I smile with you and then you think I will not slap you. Umwana yako sikosa nkaguri. Ntiwamukubita. Nawe munyumvire. Hano ntiwemerewe gukubita umwana. Umwana n'uwaresta pe. Hey. Go back. Thank you. Urakoze nyine urakinkoze muhungu wanjye. None se mbivuge ngo nta kindi nabivuga muretse kumugabo. Urakoze. Umwana akagukorera ikosa warangiswa namuganga urakoze. Jesus. Kebwe wacokoraga igikosa wajyaga kumva inkonje yakugezeho kare. Yego cleaningisha akangaka kugira ngo ifu yose nyikure. Ndasoje. Ngaye mundebere uburyo yanteje. Go back. Move. Do you want to fall down? abanesheje umutwe mwakoze mwebwe mwese twabanye mundebere izi stress Jesus izi stress zituma numva nshaka gutaha ndaseka mbabaye nibyo ndorera ubu ngubu nzanye ikintu cyitwa iki